Good morning, dear students. Are you fine? Today we will study the English first lesson, second stanza. The first stanza we already studied. Then today second stanza, lesson number 1. In first stanza, we have studied one important essence of our poem, important essence of that stanza. What is important essence of that stanza? Don't give up your task. Don't quit your task. Don't leave your task until you succeed. Then if you face so many problems in your life, we can't predict what will happen tomorrow or future. That if you take a task or work, you should complete the work or task. Then if you face any problems or difficulties at the time of completing the task, we can take a rest for some time. And after taking the rest, we should continue our work until succeed, until attain our goal. The main essence of that poem: don't quit, don't leave, don't give up your task until you achieve your goals. Okay, then today we will study the second stanza of the poem. Totally 3 stanzas in that poem. Today, second stanza. Listen. Life is pure with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometime learns, and many of failures turns about. When we might have won, hard he stuck it out. Don't give up through the pace seems long. You may succeed with another blow. You may succeed with another blow. Once again, life is pure with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometime learns, and many a failure turns about. When he might have won hard, he stuck it out. Don't give up through the pace seems long. You may succeed with another blow. You may succeed with another blow or another time, another stage. Then we can study one line. Listen. Life is pure with its twists and turns. Life is pure. Pure means strange, very strange. Otherwise, in other meaning, we can say difficulties. The life is so difficult. Life is our life. That is so difficult. It's very strange. The life is pure. Why? Why we are facing the difficulties in our life? That has only 2 reasons. The one is twist and turns. This is the reason. Twist, T-W-I-S-T-S. Twist means unexpected changes in our life. Unexpected means we can't predict it. Any time that changes will come in front of us. We can't predict what will happen tomorrow or what will happen in our future. Unexpected changes occur in our life. Then turns means number of turnings, up and downs, like that. After one up, then one down, then one up, then down, then up, then down. The life is also like that. Sometimes up position, in some other times below position, down position. So, due to this twist, due to these unexpected changes in our life, due to the turns in our life became cure, Q-U-E-E-R. The life became strange. All the people's life strange in the world due to unexpected changes and number of turns in their life. Then second, as every one of us sometimes learns, as every one of us, all of us, sometime, only sometime, the learns. Some people, they will learn from their failures, failure and success. After the failure, some people or some student, they will study something learns or something new from their failures, and they should correct their mistake. They after their failure, they will think about what was my mistake. They will find out the mistake and they will correct their mistake and they will clear all their mistake. Then next time they will attain the success. Then for example, if you studied very well prepared for the examination, but after the result declaration, you got only below 40% number, it's an unexpected change. Otherwise, you studied very well, but the examination may be difficult. Then after that failure, you should study seriously about your result. Then what is my problem? Then find out your problems, find out your negatives, and you can find out a solution to overcome that negative situation. And find out the problems and find out the solutions, apply that solutions in your life, the next times you will definitely will get a success. So some people, they will learn, they will study some new things from their failure. So there is a proverb also, the failure are the stepping stone to success. Every failure is a stepping stone to success. We should study something about our mistake, something about the wrong after every failure. That's a good step to get to the success the next time. So as every one of us sometime learns, they will learn something from their failure or something from their test or something from your turns. Life is good with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. Next, and many of failure turns about, and many a failure turns about. Number of failures that will turn in our life to study something new. The many, a failure turns about when he might have won, had he stuck it out. When he might have won, had he stuck it out. We should won. We might. There is everybody, every students are getting a chance to for success. When he might have won, maybe he will success in his target, but he may fail. Then he had stuck it out. If you stay continues our work, we will on. We will win that our target. Then on many a failure turns about when he might have won, had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. Pace means their speed. Due to any problems, mentally or physically problems, our working speed seems slow. Negative situations or difficult situations, we can't achieve our target. The speed became slow. The work speed became slow. Pace seems slow. Don't give up. At that time also, don't give up your target. Don't give up your task or your work to attain your goals. So don't give up. Don't leave. Don't quit. Though the speed seems slow. Slow time. So continue your still work. Don't quit your work. Then for example, due to COVID-19, all the schools in our country have been closed for last 5 months. Now the most of the schools they started the online classes, but number of students they can't attend this type of classes. They already stopped their studies. It is a negative situation in our life. Unexpected. This is known as the twist. TWIST. Unexpected changes or unexpected things in our life. The COVID-19 is an unexpected thing or change in the world, in our life. So number of students they stopped their studies, but the poet advisor or the poet says that don't stop your studies. You can take the rest. Maybe the speed seems now there is no speed. So compared to offline classes, the speed of the online classes is very low. The pace seems slow, but the poet advised us don't give up though the pace seems slow. Don't quit your work. Don't give up your work until achieve your target or goals. Then you may succeed with another blow. One day there is a chance to fail, but study something from your failures. That will help to become a new boy or new girl. The next time, another blow time, another time you will succeed. But if you stop your studies or if you stop your work, what will happen? There will be no success in your life. So if you want to success in your life, continue your work. Don't stop your work. You may succeed with another time. Next time, say you will. This time you already failed, but in next another time you will succeed. But only one condition. What is the condition? Don't stop our work. Continue our work. Continue our work until the goal achieved. Until the goal achieved. We have a target. We have a work target. We have a goal or aim in our life. Until achieve your goals, your objectives, your aim, you should not stop your work. Any difficulties, we should overcome that difficulties. Use the available resources and don't disturb your mind. Keep a powerful mind and overcome all your negative situation. You may succeed with another blow. Any another time, you will get a success definitely. Is it clear? Okay. One more time, I will recite the poem. Listen. Life is pure with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometime learns, and many a failure turns about. When he might have won hard, he stuck it out. Don't give up to the speed or pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. You may succeed with another blow. This is an explanation of the second stanza. Then the next class, we will study the last stanza. Then some poetical work also we will do. Then we will wind up the classes. You should study the poem in your house. Total, we already studied 12 lines. These 12 lines you should study you should by head in your home. Very seriously, you should take it serious for your studies. It is a negative situation, but we will overcome the situations. If we fail now, another day we will succeed again. Okay. Thank you to all for watching this video. Okay.